What up, y'all? We back at it again with another Speed Family episode. Behind me, I got that beautiful sunset. Ooh-wee! It's looking real nice. I know that the sun is very bright, so this is just some of the sunsets that we have out here in New Mexico. But besides all that, y'all, I just want to start off by saying thank you. We are now at 100 subscribers. We're definitely blowing up. If you saw my post on Instagram, we're actually being viewed 1,000% more now than we were 28 days ago. So, I mean, that says something about what I'm doing. So we got the speed in the back. Got my brother, he's down from Taos. He's gonna help me out. We're gonna be installing the catch can. We're also gonna be installing the intake manifold. And we're also gonna try to get some gold hardware installed as well. I don't think that should be too hard. Stay tuned to the end of the episode. We're gonna be letting y'all know who won the giveaway, and I also have a screen recording of who actually won because we're gonna go through it together. I don't want this to be, oh, well, he said this, he said that. Hell nah. Hell nah. We out here, we doing things legitly. Good luck to the winner. Stay tuned to the end of the episode. All right, y'all, getting right into it. I don't know if you can see my PVC plate, but I ordered this PVC plate from, obviously you can see Diamond Motorsports. Diamond, Damon, I don't know, it's all the same thing. And we're gonna be running the catch can over, well, we're gonna be running the line from the PVC plate down to the catch can, the intake manifold, which I still have to put on. So let's go ahead and run these lines. And I actually have the lines right here. It's pretty cool because Diamond actually gives you pre-cut lines to be able to do the work. So let's go ahead and get that installed, and then we'll go ahead and we'll move on to installing the intake manifold. And then on the valve cover, I don't know if you see these bolts here, but these are the ones that we're going to be replacing with some gold hardware, just because it's going to go with the whole theme of the car. So let's get to going here. All right, also I took this hose off of the intake manifold, and we actually need to save these clips here. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna go ahead and take these pliers, pinch apart, make sure not to lose those clips because we need those. This hose, not needed anymore, so you can just go ahead and toss that out of the way. All right, so what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna take the long hose. We're gonna take off my wrapping off this because we will no longer need it. Toss that out of the way. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and take one of our clamps here, and just as it was on the other one, we're gonna go ahead and install like that. And what we're gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna start running this line. Let me go ahead and get this on here, and we are on. All right, now I need to get my pliers. And you can't see it, but it's right under here. You're gonna go ahead and get your pliers and drag that clamp to the tip. All right, now we have our hose around, okay? Not sure how that's gonna go yet, but now I eventually wanna delete the tumblers inside of the intake manifold, but that'll be at a later video. I also just wanna buy a new intake manifold. So if anybody sees this video out there, go ahead and maybe, you know, hit me up for the address, send me an intake manifold. Just kidding. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take this clamp, install it to the end of here, your pliers, boom, all right. And you actually wanna install it at a point where you'll be able to get to, so. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that all of these clips are in before. All right, we're getting close, y'all. We getting real close to intake manifold installation. Intake manifold installation. All right, so I don't know if you can tell, but we ran the, move that out of the way. All right, so we ran the lines for the catch can. I ran the line of the intake manifold, needed to make sure everything was right there. Now what we're gonna go ahead and do is All right, now I know this is a part y'all gonna want to see, so let's go ahead. It's going to get the intake mani installed, but first I'm going to go ahead and don't forget your gasket, because that's definitely going to be a must. So it's going to sit like this and press up the intake manifold. And then what we'll start doing is we'll start bolting in the intake manifold. Okay, we got that one in. And these are 10mm bolts for anybody that's wondering. And remember, this is just temporary until we get our intake manifold. Once we get the new one, it's going to be saucy, y'all. Holy shit, dog. I'm actually doing it. I don't know why I doubt myself so much. I think I just feel like nobody believes in me. Shouldn't feel like that though. All right. Now, these are 10mm bolts. Go ahead, get them tightened. All right, y'all, so I got the intake manifold on. I've got the hoses for the catch can ran. Let's go ahead and take off these bolts here, and we'll go ahead and start installing the gold hardware. Like I said, in the future, I think I'm gonna be deleting this. I'm not quite sure yet, because like I stated, I might be just getting a whole new intake manifold. But as you can tell, we're definitely coming along. So let's go ahead and torque down the bolts for the intake manifold, and then we'll go ahead and connect the hoses for the oil catch can, and then we'll go from there. All right, now as far as these hoses go, you're gonna wanna go ahead and trim them, because you don't want a big old freaking hose all gaping, right? So trim them up. I'm gonna trim this one up about right here. This one, same exact thing, trim them up. You also wanna tie them together just to make it look a little bit neater. So let's go ahead and start working on the valve cover, and then we'll come back to this. All right, y'all, so we're gonna be installing this engine hardware kit from Corksport. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is I've already pre-assembled them. There's 14 different bolts. I think there's 14, I haven't really counted them, but what I'm gonna go ahead and do is, if you can see here, there's a loosening order and there's a tightening order. So make sure that you're following them to how it says here. So let's go ahead. I've already loosened them up, and then I'll show you the order of tightening them up. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take off the valve cover now. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and put this to the side. All right, so upon inspection, everything is looking real good on the cams. We have a little bit of wear on some of the parts. Tension, great sign. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up around here. Let's come over here and see this. Here we have the valve cover. Let's go ahead and take it out. All right. I might end up ordering a valve cover gasket just to be on the safe side. All right, so we got the valve cover gasket off. Let's go ahead and set that to the side. I'm gonna put that on my old motor. Damn, that looks really good. That looks like fucking really good. I was surprised because I bought this motor used, so I thought there was gonna be a little bit of usage, but honestly, it doesn't look like there's anything at all. Looking good there. All right, so let me go ahead and get this cleaned up. Let me get all of those bolts taken out of the valve cover, and then I'll get back to you. All right, so easiest way that I found of taking it out, all the bolts, because they're compressed by, you can see this fitting here, it gets really old and brittle and it ends up not moving anymore. So we don't need those anymore, don't even have to worry about them. So I got a punch. And there you go. Taking one out, on to the next. Alright, y'all, day 2. We got all of the bolts taken off of the valve cover. I did end up replacing the valve cover gasket, so I have one of those ordered. Should be here fairly soon. So for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and leave these red shop towels on the top of them, and the same thing with the motor over here. So if you see the motor, I've completely covered it just so that way no debris gets inside. And I know you probably already noticed the logo right here on my shirt. This is the design one from the Speed family merch that we're gonna be putting out fairly soon. So I don't know if you guys like it or not. Let me know down in the description what you guys think about it. And I think we're gonna go ahead and continue this project on the next video. But as far as right now goes, let's go ahead and announce the winner of our $50 giveaway. I can't thank you guys so much. I mean, I think we're at 177 subscribers. Literally grew 60 subscribers within a day. So I appreciate you guys so much for showing the love and support. Keep showing the love, keep hitting the like, keep subscribing, keep sharing it with your friends. Let's get this channel to 500 subs. And I'm thinking 750 subs for the next giveaway. So, you know, let's get there. Let's get to 750 subs. Let's go ahead and get on with the giveaway. Alright, y'all. Let's go ahead and get right into this giveaway here. You know, I definitely appreciate each and every single one of you for participating. Also showing the love. 178 subscribers I just checked. So, you know, I can't thank you guys enough for all the love and support. It's only going to get bigger from here. So let's go ahead and jump right into the giveaway. Pull up my screen here. All right. So it's pretty cool because, you know, now that we have started this, you know, we'll just go ahead and be able to do a lot more giveaways in the future. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna go ahead and pull up my channel. Of course, we're gonna use the video with the most comments. And of course, this is gonna be some of my comments as well. So I already have the video pulled up. So let's go ahead and go up here. Click on the video. Let's go ahead and get this link. Take it into my YouTube comment picker. Copy and paste it. Of course, we're going to filter duplicate users because we don't want that. 8 plus 7, 15? Yes. All right, let's go and type 15. All right, we're going to go ahead and get our comments. There's 79 comments. All right, and now we're going to go ahead and pick our winner. So let me get a drum roll, please. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Who's it gonna be? Oh, what up? It's the homie Jason. This guy is part of the Mazda community as well. So congratulations, Jason. You know, definitely thank you for tuning in to the channel. I'll message you on Facebook because I believe I have you there. So see how I can get you this $50. But once again, congratulations, man. Definitely appreciate it. All right, y'all, there you have it. Another episode in the bag, another one for the books. I hope you enjoyed the giveaway. Congratulations to Jason once again. Stay tuned to next week's episode. We're gonna be reinstalling the valve cover, finish up the catch can, and then we're gonna go ahead and start running all the vacuum lines, get a battery, and then hopefully we're probably like about a week out from starting the Mazda. So definitely appreciate y'all for the support. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Most of all, don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on the next episode. Thanks for kicking it with me tonight, Speed Fam. We'll see you on the next one.